Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to create your own online school? Let me walk you through setting up your Teachable account step by step. First, go to teachable.com and click Get Started. Sign up with your email address or use Google to register faster. Once you're in, you'll land on the admin dashboard. There's a Get Started screen at the top with recommended onboarding steps. Follow these to set up your school properly. Now, let's configure your basic settings. Go to Settings General. Update your school name to match your business. Add your business address for tax reporting and set your email sender name. This is what students see on receipts. Ready to go live? Click the Publish School button in the top right corner. Without this, visitors see a Coming Soon screen. Don't worry, your school won't be visible to search engines until you share the link. Next, brand your school. Go to Site Settings. Upload your logo, choose brand fonts, and update your color palette to match your business. Update your instructor bio under Site Bios. Add a headshot and a short bio. Students will see this when they enroll in your courses. Now, choose your plan. The starter plan $29/month billed annually is great for beginners with one course. The builder plan $69/month removes transaction fees and adds more features. Start with starter and upgrade as you grow. Pro tip, use code MAGIC10 for 10% off monthly or 30% off annual plans. And that's it. Your Teachable school is created, branded, and ready for your first course. If you set up your school, let me know what you'll teach in the comments. See you in the next one.